In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually charge a customer in Stripe. This is a straightforward process that requires a few simple steps, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to perform this task with ease. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to visit Stripe's official website, stripe.com. Once you're there, locate the sign in button at the top right hand corner of the page and give it a click. This will redirect you to the login page where you'll need to input your registered email and password. Providing these credentials will ensure a secure access to your Stripe account. Hit that sign in button again after you've filled in your details. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of your Stripe dashboard. From here you'll find the billing section in the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll see all things related to invoices and billing, an essential tool for managing your transactions on Stripe. Look for the invoices option and select it. Invoices are crucial as they allow you to itemize the charges you want to apply to a customer. Once you've clicked on invoices, you'll see an option to create new invoice. Select this to initiate invoicing for a customer. At this point, you'll need to add a customer to the invoice. This is crucial as it specifies who you will be charging. Look out for the option to add a customer and make your selection. After selecting the customer, the next step will involve adding a product or service you intend to charge for. Make sure you properly list all items to ensure accuracy in billing. Next, you'll need to consider tax implications. Stripe allows you to select taxes applicable to your products or services, which is important for compliance purposes. Take your time to set these correctly or consult with a tax professional if you're unsure. Now remember to click on Save to preserve your progress up to this point. It's always a good practice to save periodically to prevent data loss. The next step is to enable the option to auto-charge customer, which essentially allows Stripe to attempt a charge using the payment method associated with the customer automatically. Once this is done, you need to input the card number for the transaction. Ensure that you have the accurate and authorized details to avoid any potential issues. Following the card details entry, you'll have the option to schedule charge date. Choose a date that aligns with your billing cycle or is suitable for your business needs. Finally, you need to confirm all the details to ensure everything is in place. Clicking on Confirm Invoice